Hello, viewers. You are welcome again to my channel. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always clicking. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Famatanto. I am a grassroots environmental activist. I'm a farmer. I'm a social entrepreneur. So today I'm here in my eco village, which I started since 2016 here in Baminda Upstation. And the goal of my eco village is to reconnect people back to ecological lifestyle. The surface area of this eco village is about 2,000 meters square, and we try to make good use of every square inch of the soil. So here in the eco village, you can see behind me, we have the ecological lodge, which we built using the South African technology hydroform interlocking blocks. We also try to do some landscape designs. We breed some animals and birds like turkeys and goats. And we also have a farm that we grow corn. You know, I'm an advocate for sustainable agriculture, small scale farming. And today in this eco village, I'm going to show you how we harvest corn. We planted this corn using organic manure from pigs. And now we are ready to harvest the corn. And I want to show you how we harvest corn, tie it, and then dry it locally. Please join me, and you're going to explore amazing lifestyles at the grassroots.
Sayadi laye laye. She finds and the tangri tangri oh we suivere that you to me aja young ring one you we suivere she fight tankum sani tangri tangri oh we suivere that you vet ko young ring one you we suivere she fights la tangri tangri oh we suivere that you bush ya young ring one you we suivere shufa you ari tangri oh we suivere that you la fono ya young ring one you we suivere shufa wo shuva we tangri oh we suivere mama madu oh ya young rikurani oh we suivere shufa wo luni tangri oh we suivere that you fire ja young ring one you we suivere shu finds them sunny tangri oh we suivere that the manu mangu oh tari angwa shivi we suivere that the lantumbo ja tari angwa shivi we suivere Tadom sunjo aja tari anga sivi we suivere. We're caught in Jamiru, we caught in Jamiru. Baby Saki, oh, we're a one gamo, we're a one gamo. Yemo, yeah, we're a one gami. Wombo, we're a one gami.
Hello, viewers. I hope you did enjoy the process of harvesting corn and drying it. When I tell you agriculture is a noble profession, a lot of young people shy away from agriculture. I don't understand why. Agriculture was the first ever, profession in the whole world, starting from the Garden of Eden, and when God commanded Adam and Eve to take care of the planet Earth. And that is how agriculture started. So we have to be proud to be farmers. As a grassroots activist working on environment and agriculture, I've been working for over 26 years, and I'm always proud to tell people that my story was illustrated in a children's book to be used in all the primary schools in the United States. And this is my life, being studied in other parts of the world. And recently, I just got an information that my story was translated into French, in France, and it is being used for all the French African countries in Africa and also in Haiti. Other countries are looking forward to see how they can also translate my story into their languages. And it is so mind blowing to see that working at the grassroots, my story could be recognized, and children around the world are able to learn how I started farming as a little boy growing up with my grandmother in the village. For those of you who think that agriculture is for poor people, please, I bet you it is time we need to get back into the soil. To practice agriculture, you don't need a very large piece of land. Even on 10 meters square, you can still grow your own crops. It's time to get back into the soil because the earth nourishes us. And when we eat organic food, it nourishes our body, it nourishes our soul. Please keep on subscribing, keep on sharing my videos, and together we're going to change the narratives of farming, not only in Cameroon, but across Africa. I am farmer, no future. Peace and blessings.
Manu manguji atari angwa shibiwi suibere tatum sunjo aja atari angwa shibiwi suibere.